And just like that, we are watching the dashboard right now on my computer, and as you can see, there's a bunch of stuff you can click on the left side, on the top, and a lot of graphs and stats and all that good stuff, but that's not what I wanted to show you. However, what I wanted to show you is the process of setting up an actual lead tool. We got 4 approaches. One is called lead quiz, lead poll, and then we got lead survey and lead buzz. And we are going to focus on the lead survey for now. Setting up a lead tool is basically very easy. But yeah, because I value your time, just let me click on lead survey right now, and I will be redirected to the overview page right here. And as you can see, these are some of the lead surveys I've been creating in the past and have been generating leads with. But for now, we are going to create a new lead survey, and I do this by clicking on that button right there on the right, and I'm going to select a template right here, confirm my selection, and we are now at step 1 where we can completely customize our template. Alright, so let me just fill out some stuff right here. Do you even generate leads? There we go. Fill out the survey description. How many leads are you currently generating, and would you like to generate more? Very simple stuff. I've got one thing already. It says customize template right here, because I want to show you the entire process of setting up a lead tool. Let me click on yes right here. It opens up a variety of new options, as you can see right here, and some stuff in the background. Let's first specify a newsfeed image. Let me click on choose file right here, and I've already created one. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. And just don't worry, because I will preview the entire stuff later on. Yeah, right here I'm going to select a different survey background, and I've already created one for that as well. And it's basically consistent with the newsfeed image I've just put up. As you can see right here, it's immediately reflected on the right, and this basically gives you an instant preview on how it will look on Facebook. For the survey title, I'm going to use a gray color code right here. Select 20 as the font size, Arial, next. Let's specify a different button. Yes. And it's just also easy, guys. It's just clicking, some typing, and before you know it, you got your very own lead tool that can receive traffic. So what I'm currently doing is setting up the specific, is basically editing the quiz questions right here with the color type and making them a larger, choosing a different font type, click on next, and right here I'm basically doing the same for the answers. And I like to get big answers going on so they stand out a bit. Now that's step 1 completed, and what we are going to do now is click on this button right here, and the system is currently asking us if we want to customize the opt-in form or actually want to capture leads with it. So do we want to have a opt-in form? Yes, we want to have a opt-in form, and we want to customize the opt-in form as well. let me immediately go to choose file right here and upload the same background because I want it to be consistent with the entire sequence. Let me just change up the color codes right here real quick. I think that is about right. Let's do the opt-in button right here. I do want to make it a bit more yellowish. There we go. So that looks pretty cool already, right? Alright, I think we are about done on this step. So let's click on next autoresponder, and this is where we set up or specify our autoresponder settings. I'm going to select the API key for get response this time and specify my API key right here and click on next, where we are going to add questions. And this is basically step 4, and this is where we are going to specify the questions and answers. And you really want to think this one through. So right now I'm going to pause the video and continue the video when I've filled out all these fields. Alright, we are all set. I've quickly filled out some questions and answers right here. So let me click on submit right here. And we are now being redirected to step 5, and this is where we are going to add our segment. And this is very exciting stuff, guys, because this is where you specify a sequence of answers, and based on that sequence of answers, leads are being put on different lists. So this allows for pre-segmentation of your leads, and you can immediately follow up with people that only generate 10 leads, 100 leads, or 1,000 leads. So this is pretty amazing stuff, guys. Right now for this segment I got 10 plus yes on question number 2 and Facebook on question number 3. And if a user goes through this sequence, I will add them to this list right here. And I want to target noobs as well. If a person is not currently generating leads, they will obviously select that option. If they do not know what micro commitments are, then they are going to select this option. And I will leave question 3 on Facebook for now. And if a user completes that sequence, I'm going to put them on Social Leadshift sign up right here. And segment 3 is basically a catch-all list. And let's just put them on this list right here, a webinar list. Alright, let me click on submit right here. And this is where we are going to specify our call to action. It's step number 6. And what we want to do, we can either choose to go with an image or show a YouTube video. Let's do the latter and show a YouTube fit right here. Let's see if I got a good fit going on in the stuff it remembered. And as you can see, it's really cool. It will be immediately reflected on the right side, so you can see if the YouTube video is being added. That's Peter Garrity right there. Hello Peter. Let me see, this should be the cool, yeah. A simple logo reveal of Social Leadshift right here. I want to autoplay the YouTube video. I do not want to show any related stuff in the feed because I do not want to direct any of their attention outside of Facebook. I basically want to have a video put up that throws a bit more emphasis on the link right here on the bottom, and that's the link we are going to specify right now. Click here and learn how to generate more leads. So simple stuff right here, call to action URL. I'm going to lead them to the Social Leadshift page. There we go. Specify. There we go. Nice and big. Arial. No. Make it a bit smaller. There we go. And next. And yeah, this is basically how it will look on Facebook itself. So let's see. Do you even generate leads? Yes, I do. 1,000 plus a day. Do you use micro commitments on your pages? Yes, I do. And where did you hear from us? Facebook. So watch what happens, guys, if I click on this button. Boom, the opt-in form. And this is where we are going to use my email address. Click the submit button right here. And boom, it immediately starts playing the video. And as you can see, I made a small mistake right here. It's a bit small right here. So what I want to do is I will basically go back inside the setup process again and make sure I've set up everything correctly and make the font size a bit bigger, perhaps in red, so it really stands out, so that people can really see where they need to click on. But yeah, let me just click on this right now, and it will go to my social lead chief lender right here. So that's really cool, right? All what's left is the following, and I want to show you this stuff on Facebook. There we go. I'm gonna share it in the group for now. It's a test group I'm in. And there we go. Share the link right here. Now hop over to Facebook itself. And there we go. And this is, by the way, the newsfeed image I've specified. Do you even squat? Generate leads. That's me in the picture. Nice title and description right here. A arrow pointing to the play button and some proof that we are generating, well, absolutely killing it on several autoresponders. Now let me click on the play button right here. And there you go. You got the same stuff going on right inside the Facebook newsfeed, guys. And that is why it's so powerful. You can basically do everything with it. And there we go. We add our email right here. Stefan Vandervleck at test.nl. Click the submit button. It says message sent. Leads being added. Yeah, that's basically it, guys. You will see something similar in your feed very soon. I'm going to make sure that I will put up a video right here of me throwing a little extra emphasis on this link. So if you are watching this right now, yeah, I will see you in your newsfeed. Alright, thanks.